Do you need a special way to say thank you? Well, stay tuned because I have a unique card for you. Hi everybody, I'm Nick from thebeardedhousewife.com, the blog and YouTube channel that shows you simple ways to craft your house into a home. Today I'm going to show you a really easy thank you pop-up card that I created. If you have followed my blog or know me in real life, you know that my husband and I are foster parents, and we just recently got a new placement, a very brand new 2-day-old baby. It has been such a blessing and so much fun, so much craziness, lots of lost sleep, but we have had family and friends who have reached out to give us clothes and diapers and advice, and they've just been really great. So I wanted to say thank you in a very special way, so I created this card. It's really simple to make. Why don't we head on over to my blog? I'll show you how to get the free file, and then we will proceed to Design Space, and then we'll go ahead and make it. Okay, so here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access to my free file library, you can click the Get Access tab. You'll fill out a form, and then you'll be emailed the password. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library. You're going to fill out the password, and then hit Enter. And then here is all of my free files for you to enjoy. For this tutorial, you're going to want the thank you pop-up card. Click that hyperlink and you'll download it to your computer. And now we can open up Design Space and we can get started. I have a new project opened up in Design Space, and we're going to head to Upload, Upload Image, and then Browse. And here we're going to find where we downloaded the file to our computer and hit Open, and then Upload. Now we're going to highlight that image and then click Insert Image, and it will bring it into our canvas. You can see here in the Layers panel that everything has been done for you. I've set all of the score lines and the cut lines. You don't have to do anything else. So we're going to head up to the Make It button. And here you will see all of the mats. These two are the side flaps for the envelope. That first mat is the envelope base right there. You can go ahead and click Continue, and then once you connect your machine and select your material, we can go ahead and get started cutting everything out. For this project, you're going to need the green standard grip cutting mat, your selection of cardstock, the scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a Cricut scraper, Cricut brayer, your adhesive tape, and some art glitter glue, or glue of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I will see you when everything's all done. Alright, now that everything has been cut out, it is time to start assembling. So first, let's take care of that pop-up layer. This is the layer that says thanks so much. You're going to want to fold along that top score line. And then give that a good press with your Cricut scraper. Lift that up. Alright, now we can do the fold line that's at the top of the text. We're forming our pop-up little bump out. Looks like I folded that just a little too much right there, but that's alright. We're going to take care of that when we glue everything down. Here I am folding the center fold. And now we can go ahead and take care of the bottom fold that is at the bottom of the text. And that's how it will look once it's all situated in the card. So I'm going to close this up. I'm giving it a good press with my hands. And I'm going to take the scraper and just kind of press all the folds. Like I said, I accidentally went a little too far with my fold on one of those creases, but that's alright. We're going to take care of that once we glue everything down. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's grab our outer card layer, get those envelope pieces out of the way. Fold that, and now I'm going to press it with the scraper. Okay, so flip the pop-up layer over, take my adhesive tape and add some adhesive. Don't forget to get those little tabs right there. Now that's the bottom of the card, so I want to make sure that I put it on the bottom part of the outer card layer. And I'm lining up the score lines. Going to give that a good press with my hands. And then I'm just going to make sure that everything folds the way that it's supposed to. Just checking there. There we go. And now we can do the top portion. I'm going to grab my adhesive again and run some tape around those areas there. And now I'm just going to take the outer card layer and slowly fold that onto the pop-up part. Press all along where you put the tape. And there we go. Perfect. Set that to the side. Now let's work on our panel layer. This is the layer that's going to be on the front of the card. Move all those little bits out of the way. I'm flipping over the cutout layer that has the words cut out, adding my adhesive. Went a little too far with the tape, just fold that over. And now I'm going to center that on the back panel. That looks good. Give it a good press. And now we can take our glue. Got some dry glue there, sorry. We're just going to put little dots on both of the A's, the O, and the D. And now I'm just going to use some of my Cricut tweezers and pick up those little circles to fill in the rest of the letter. Alright, there we go. Now flip the panel over, add some adhesive tape. And then center that on the front of the card. Just press that down with your hands. there we go. Just wanted to say thanks so much. Isn't that cool? Okay, I'm going to set that to the side and grab my envelope pieces because I designed this envelope a little bit different than my other ones, just because this is a slimline card. So these are the side flaps, and then this is the envelope base, and they fit just like that. So you need to go ahead and fold along the score lines on all three pieces. Take your scraper and press the folds. Open the envelope base up, and then you're going to glue the side flaps right there on the side, making sure that you line up the edges. So I'm going to grab my adhesive, and place that along the side. Give that a good press. Do that for the other side. Just making sure everything folds the way it's supposed to. And now I can add some adhesive to the bottom of the side flaps. Fold up the bottom flap. And there we go. Our envelope is done. Take our card, fit that in, and it is ready to send. Wasn't that easy? I love that pop-up. It is so cool. It is so unexpected too. I hope that you like it. I hope that you make it too. If you like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe so you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have tons of cards on there, so make sure that you do check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see everyone later. Bye.